Hello everyone, my name is Elijah Ayers and I'm with Veurink's RV Center located right here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, where we've been family owned and operated for well over 60 years. Today I'm excited to show you yet another great product made by KZ. Now this unit here I'm going to show you is called a 160 RBT. This guy here only comes in at 18 foot, weighing in at 2,600 pounds, 2 queen beds on either side, awesome awning, a fully functioning restroom. So let's dive right in and let's get you started as far as showing you some of these features. As you move your way around the exterior, you notice that I'm standing underneath this large awning. It's going to give you 10 foot of space here to be able to protect your belongings, be able to sit underneath here without having to worry about the sun rays coming down on you. Another great space here is this external baggage door. Lots of space inside here that's going to be able to accomplish taking care of your marshmallow roasters, your hobo pie makers. Even they integrated what they call a smart arm awning control on such a nice camper as well. It gives you the opportunity to run your awning in and out from the exterior. Even have a wind sensor or a motion sensor that you can build right into this, so this thing will roll right up for you. As we make your way around here, you'll notice that it's a single axle trailer, so it's going to be really easily towable, maneuverable as well. Nice big awning again, exterior lighting with outdoor speakers as well. And now I'd like to show you inside why we are so excited about this camper. Well, welcome inside of the 2019 160 RBT KZ travel trailer. You'll notice that you have 2 very large queen beds, so very ample space for you to hang out, relax, stretch out. You'll notice that you have a nice dinette table as well. This will actually collapse down as well for you, so you can actually use this space for an additional sleepover or guest. Very nice large sofa here too, place to get up out of the way, get out of the rain if you had to, and just relax, kick back. You'll notice how bright and airy it feels inside here. Lots of windows, all LED lights throughout. Built-in chargers as well, built-in 110 outlets for you everywhere you look. As you move across here, you're gonna see that you'll have an integrated system here that will do your AM, FM, Bluetooth connectivity as well. You can even control the speakers to just do the inside or the outside. So if you don't want to disturb anybody inside, you can hang out outside and relax. I'm gonna swing around here and we'll show you the rest. As you make your way around, you're going to notice that you have a lot of storage. The nice thing is that with the smaller campers, you always want to have as much storage as possible. So you have a very large overhead cabinet, nice hardware as well. You'll have your over-the-range microwave here to hook up those popcorn meals. Right below that, you're going to have your 2-burner cooktop, very large preparation area, nice single well sink to wash up everything. More storage below, even more storage on this side with organizer drawers inside for you and make things easy to stack things away. Again, as we move across here, you're going to notice even a larger storage here. Great space for wardrobes, lots of room inside there as well. Moving across, you're going to see that you have a fully functioning refrigerator and icebox combo, so it's going to be able to keep all those food and items that you're going to need to bring along with you. AC mounts right in the side for you, so that way it's going to keep the camper nice and cool on those hot days, so you don't have anything to worry about there. Again, you have a fully functioning restroom inside. This here, guys, is going to have your foot flush toilet, a full shower surround, a very nice medicine cabinet above that sink as well, with a mirror, and of course storage below that sink as well. And in the back here, you're going to notice you'll have your secondary tent with a nice privacy curtain here too. So it's again a 60 by 80 on both sides, so it's residential queen size. Very easy to use, lots of space. Well, thank you so much for joining me here today as we toured the 160 RBT KZ Classic. I know there may be some questions that weren't answered during this video, so I encourage you to reach out to me at 616-965-9603. Don't forget that Veurink takes all sorts of trades, so if you're wondering what your trade is valued at, feel free to contact me at the number below. And thank you very much for joining me here today, and hopefully everyone is doing well.